Always tell us when you go to visit your Jaja, they pack for you things, matoke, sweet potatoes and what. So the people told me as I came, they told me, don't forget to tell Jaja that we are here. He should pack for us some things, give you, and you bring, we enjoy. As the Jaja, I said, well, Luseke moving, Luseke coming. Said yes. So as a judge, I'll be waiting. You load me with the things for the bazukulu.
When people come, the way you reward, you give them gifts. I don't want to go to prison because I'm a candidate. So if I kurongora, people will be arrested for bribing. So I think we shall have to wait after the election, then we sort out issues.